everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about a collaboration challenge called Jewelry Making Fun, hosted by Deb Hawk. Currently, I am not at my house. I am at my mom's house helping her get over some health issues. And I wanted to join in with the collaboration challenge this month that Deb Hawk, she hosts every month. And I'm kind of having to think outside the box with this one. Well, let me just tell you about it. So she gives us different colors to work with, and then we make jewelry with those particular colors. For this month, June of 2025, we have to work with, okay? Either beach theme or animal print, and cream, sand, caramel, coffee, a medium brown, a dark brown, and a dark wood or bone. Now, we don't have to use all those colors, but this is basically what she's giving us to work with. So I usually like to do beach theme, but I saw this animal print little top that my mom had, and I thought it was really, really pretty. So we're going to work with this. Now, when I look at the neckline here, it's a scoop neck, and we got a little bit of prettiness here, so we don't need anything elaborate up there. The cream colors and the dark brown, and anyway, I thought this would be a perfect shirt. So let's dig around in either the jewelry that I brought or my mom's jewelry and see what we can come up with to go with this. So the pants that I would wear this would probably be some black. I actually, if I had this at home, I would wear this with a pair of black capris that I have. And as far as the necklace goes, I want something that's very simple, and I have a couple of things that I could choose from. I've got this guitar string pendant that I could just put on a chain. We have a little bit of sparkle there. You can see the end bead that connects the string to the guitar. And of course, this is the guitar here. And then I have this. This is an alligator gar scale. And I actually have a video showing how I made this. But since this is animal print, I think I'm going to go with this particular pendant. And I'm just going to hang it on a little chain. As far as earrings go, I think these would look really good. I'm trying to remember what these are called. Shiva shells. That's right. I remember now. The bottom part, those are Shiva shells, and these are just little brown beads. And then I have a little bit of color in the middle. Here. Zoom up. There we go. We can see it. Isn't that pretty? I think that goes really well with this, kind of the animal print vibe to it. And as far as bracelets go, I think I'm going to wear a set here. Got some animals. I actually have a video about this bracelet from Follow. It's a tracking bracelet for wolves, but that would be nice. This bracelet, just a little bit of color and bling. And this one. We'll get them. There we go. And there we go. The earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet with the animal print. And I would probably wear these shoes. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you go check out all the other participants. I'll leave their links down in the description box below. Thanks, Deb, for hosting this challenge, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.